Welcome back to DECOLOVA, where every corner of a home tells a story worth lingering in. Today, we step into a charming English farmhouse wrapped in fresh yellow and green hues, like a spring morning captured in architecture. This is not just a house tour, but a gentle walk through a space where nature and comfort hold hands. Imagine soft breezes, blooming gardens, and interiors that glow like a quiet afternoon. Let's explore how this cottage transforms simplicity into something quietly magical. From the outside, the home feels like it grew organically from the land itself. The soft yellow facade reflects warmth without shouting, while green shutters and climbing vines create a soothing contrast. A gravel pathway leads you to the entrance, framed by wildflowers dancing in the wind. The roof, slightly weathered, adds a sense of history, like the house has witnessed many seasons and stories. It's the kind of place that doesn't demand attention but effortlessly captures it. Stepping inside, the entryway greets you like a polite host with a warm smile. Soft yellow walls reflect natural light, creating an inviting glow that feels both fresh and comforting. Wooden accents, slightly aged, ground the space and add authenticity. A small bench with green cushions sits quietly, offering a place to pause. Decorative elements remain minimal, allowing the color palette to breathe. It's a subtle introduction that sets the tone for the entire home. The living room unfolds like a quiet garden indoors. Soft green sofas paired with floral cushions echo the surrounding countryside, while touches of yellow appear in throws and decorative accents. Natural wood furniture adds warmth and texture, preventing the space from feeling overly polished. Large windows invite sunlight to spill across the room, making everything feel alive. This is a space designed not for perfection, but for living, where comfort is the main character. The kitchen carries the soul of the farmhouse, blending practicality with charm. Soft green cabinetry feels calm and grounded, while yellow accents appear in ceramics and subtle decor pieces. Open shelving displays simple dishware, creating an effortless, lived-in aesthetic. Wooden countertops add warmth and authenticity, while the layout encourages movement and connection. It's a space where cooking feels less like a task and more like a quiet ritual shared with the home itself. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area feels like a natural extension of the outdoors. A wooden table sits at the center, surrounded by mismatched chairs that add character rather than chaos. Yellow tones appear softly in table linens or floral arrangements, while green elements ground the space. Sunlight pours in generously, making every meal feel like a small celebration. The atmosphere is relaxed, encouraging long conversations and unhurried moments. The bedroom embraces tranquility with a palette that soothes rather than stimulates. Soft green walls create a cocoon-like feeling, while yellow accents add just enough brightness to keep the space from feeling muted. Linen textures, light curtains, and wooden details contribute to a natural, breathable environment. The bed becomes a quiet sanctuary, layered with comfort and simplicity. It's a place where mornings feel gentle and evenings arrive without rush. The bathroom continues the theme with a fresh, clean interpretation of the color palette. White serves as the base, allowing green tiles or accents to stand out without overwhelming the space. Subtle yellow touches appear in towels or small decorative elements, adding warmth to the crisp atmosphere. Natural light plays an important role here, enhancing the sense of openness. The overall feeling is light, refreshing, and quietly rejuvenating. Tucked beside a window, the reading nook feels like a secret whispered by the house itself. A cozy armchair in soft green fabric invites you to sink in, while a small wooden table holds a stack of well-loved books. Yellow accents appear gently through a throw blanket or a delicate cushion, adding warmth without distraction. Sunlight filters through sheer curtains, creating a soft glow that shifts throughout the day. It's a space designed for slow moments, where time seems to soften around the edges. Beyond the main furniture, the soul of the cottage reveals itself through its details. Ceramic vases in muted yellow tones, botanical prints, and hand-woven baskets add layers of character without overwhelming the senses. Green plants are scattered thoughtfully, not as decoration alone, but as living companions within the space. Each object feels chosen, not styled, creating a home that feels authentic rather than staged. It's this quiet curation that gives the cottage its unmistakable personality. The The beauty of this farmhouse lies not only in its colors but also in how it feels. Linen fabrics drape softly, wooden surfaces carry subtle imperfections, and woven textures add depth to every corner. These materials interact like instruments in a calm orchestra, each contributing without overpowering the others. The combination of soft and structured elements creates balance, making the home feel both refined and relaxed. It's a reminder that texture can speak just as loudly as color. Large windows and thoughtful openings allow the home to breathe alongside its surroundings. Fresh air moves freely, carrying the scent of grass and flowers into every room. The connection between inside and outside feels seamless, as if the boundary between them is gently blurred. Green tones inside mirror the landscape beyond the glass, while yellow reflects the sunlight that dances across surfaces. This harmony creates a living experience that feels grounded and expansive at the same time. One of the most charming aspects of this cottage is its ability to adapt through the seasons. In spring and summer, the yellow and green palette feels vibrant and alive, echoing blooming fields and bright skies. As seasons shift, the same base can evolve with deeper tones and layered textures, creating warmth without losing its identity. This flexibility makes the home feel timeless, not tied to a single moment but capable of evolving gracefully over time. As daylight fades, the lighting takes over like a gentle storyteller. Warm, soft illumination replaces the sun, highlighting textures and enhancing the natural tones of the space. Table lamps with subtle yellow hues and soft white bulbs create a cozy glow, while strategically placed fixtures ensure the home never feels too dim or too harsh. The lighting doesn't dominate the room, it supports it, wrapping every corner in a calm, inviting ambience that feels almost like a quiet embrace. This fresh yellow and green cottage is more than a visual experience, it feels like stepping into a memory you didn't know you had. From its welcoming exterior to its thoughtfully layered interiors, every element works together to create a home that is both simple and deeply comforting. Here at DECOLOVA, we believe great design is not about perfection, but about feeling. And this farmhouse captures that beautifully, like a piece of countryside poetry you can live in.